Alright, baby, let's ride. So I took my Z250sl to work this morning, and as you can see, it had been raining this afternoon. It was good chance to test out that door hinge that I installed under the radiator of my Z250sl. You will recall in the previous video, to help shield the radiator fan from acquiring any more dirt and thus conking out for good. Long story short, when I got home this evening, I checked it out, and sure enough, the door hinge was covered in dirt. It was doing the job that I had expected and hoped that it would do. It was covered in dirt, particularly that area just in front of the opening of the casing of the radiator fan. So I suppose it's a success. I think that the door hinge prevented some more dirt from getting into the casing of the radiator fan. So I'm quite happy about that. There's a small issue though. Small issue that needs to be addressed. This morning I actually noticed it as I was going to work. As I was on my way to work, I could hear it. There's a small vibration problem. Even over the sound of the engine running, and even with the radiator fan going, I can still hear the vibration. It wasn't that loud a vibration, but still quite audible, and I think that needs to be addressed. So when I checked it out, I concluded that the metal plate upon which the door hinge was resting was vibrating as the motor was going, as the motorcycle was running. That plate was vibrating against basically the stainless steel door hinge, and that's what's making the noise. I also suspect that to a small extent the door hinge was also vibrating against one part of the casing of the radiator fan. So after thinking about it, I came up with a solution of using pieces of flat rubber band. I actually have a length of rubber band, flat rubber band, which I cut a couple of sections rather. I folded up one section and inserted it between the metal plate and the door hinge, and the second section of rubber band I inserted between the door hinge and the casing of the radiator fan. To help secure the metal plate and the door hinge together, I even used a cable tie, and hopefully that will do the trick and eliminate, or at the very least significantly lessen, the vibration problem that I had been hearing. I mean, it's not that big a deal, but still, if you leave it alone and let it go for some time, might loosen things up, and don't want that. I don't want that from happening. Still looks good, so that's okay, at least in my opinion. Still the job still looks good. I mean, won't win any beauty contest, but it doesn't stand out all that much, so it's not that noticeable unless you really look at it. And even if you look at it, in my opinion, it doesn't look that bad, so it's okay. I mean, that's what's important, right? If it looks good to me, it's my bike. Looks good to me, looks okay, then it's all fine. Yeah, I suppose I should go to a bike shop and have them fashion an appropriate metal plate that they can screw in place. But it's a small job, and it's just one of those things that I feel like I should be handling myself. As a rider, at least I should be able to do just that, and hopefully I have fixed the problem of the vibration issue to a certain extent. My opinion, I think I have addressed the dirt problem of the radiator fan, at least lessen the amount of dirt that gets into the casing of the radiator fan. So all that's left now, I suppose, is to get a fender extension for the front fender that would help prevent even more dirt from getting to the radiator fan area. And as I had mentioned in the previous video, I think I would also look for mudguard for the rear tire, just for symmetry and as well for functionality. A mudguard in the rear installed on the rear tire would help in preventing any mud from messing up the back of the motorcycle. Yeah. So as soon as I can find or get my hands on a front fender extension and rear mudguard, I'll make another video and talk about it. Maybe even showcase the front fender and the rear mudguard. Yeah. So that's it for now. Until next time, keep on riding on, baby.